Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a topic that is the recruitment. Recruitment is the first stage of a HRM process. You can say that कि whenever you are working in any bigger organization, there is a one HRM department और HRM personnel का सबसे पहला काम होता है recruitment करना. So it refers to the process of searching prospective employee and stimulating them to applying them for a job. Means to say that एक ऐसा process जिसमें आप prospective employees को search करते हो और उनको stimulate करते हो कि वो आपकी organization के अंदर job के लिए apply करेंगे. The next question would be how they can apply for a job. Means to say that if you are going to post an ad on any website or if you are going to post an ad on any gate of your organization and people are seeing that ad and after that ad they are going to apply in your organization or you will stimulate them to apply for the job in organization. Now I'll come upon the process of recruitment. First stage is the requisition of employee. Recruitment process begins with the requisition of employee. Requisition of employee means to say that requirement of employee after determining the need of employee in respective department, the departmental managers feels the personnel managers. Means to say that whenever you are going to decide ki how many employee you are needed for your organization, so in a simplest term, every departmental manager will tell the personnel manager ki I need this amount of a personnel in my organization. Means to say that ki if finance department needs a 5 person in their department, तो he is going to tell the personnel manager कि मुझे 5 personnel अपने department के लिए चाहिए और these types of persons I have needed. Second step is the identification of the source of recruitment. On receipt of requisition, departmental head से requisition receipts लेने के बाद personnel manager will decide कि whatever the method they want to choose that for a recruitment, internal method or external method. Internal means to say that inside the organization or external means to say that inside outside the organization. Third thing, invitation to the interested people. After finding the sources, interested people are invited to apply for job. To this, personnel manager prepares a comprehensive information about the job. Whenever you are getting applications of employees, then you will see ki, whatever the things you wanted for your organization. In this step, we will say that कि number of vacancies कितनी है हमारी organization में, nature of job क्या है हमारा, qualification कितनी required है हमें post के लिए, the experience कितना चाहिए, डिटेल ऑफ सैलरी क्या है, कंडीशंस ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या होंगी, लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन वुड बी, ब्रीफ डिटेल ऑफ अ सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर, इन्फॉर्मेशन मस्ट बी प्रिपेयर्ड सिंपल एंड अट्रैक्टिव लैंग्वेज. Whatever the information you have to prepare, that should be prepared in a simple and attractive language. Fourth point, preparing the list of deserving applicants. After receiving the application, verification would be done. Applications are divided into two parts. One part consists which fulfill all the qualification and other part consists of those application which do not qualify. So we will segregate the application and we will keep that application which are qualifying all these criteria. In a simplest term, हम सिर्फ उन्हीं applications को रखेंगे जो हमारी ये सारी criteria को पूरा कर रहे हैं. So a list is prepared for the qualified personnel. In a simplest term, हम एक qualified personnel की list prepare करेंगे और after that we can contact to that person, we can take a interview, or if a person is qualifying the interview, then we can place that person on a job. So this is the basically recruitment process.